Hi, my name is Jake Knapp, and I am the author of this book, Make Time, which is about making good use of time in your regular life, and this book, Sprint, which is about making good use of time at home. And this is my friend, Flynn.
Hi, my name is Flynn.
His name is Flynn. He's also my son. Flynn is also my son. We are big fans of the time timer in our house. We have a lot of time timers. Here are some of the ones we have. Different time timers, different sizes, but we're really excited today because we received this box here, and it's got, we think, a giant time timer in it. Actually, we know it has a giant time timer in it because we already opened it, but we put it back in the box so that we could open it like on the video. So
Anyway,
should we do that now? I think
Yes.
This is the side that opens. Okay, so look at that. I mean, it's giant.
it's not as big as this.
Yeah,
It's way bigger.
It's way bigger. It's, for comparison, it's way bigger.
Yeah.
We'll take it out of here. We just got to get some of this cardboard off, and
batteries.
there's batteries. We happen to have 2C batteries ready to go. This is a nice bracket that you could use to mount it on the wall. But the important thing we want to get to is the timer itself. There it is. The Time Timer Max. It is giant, and not only is it giant, what else do you know about it, Flynn?
I know that it has different settings, and I know that there's stuff in the back
Yeah, do you want to show us? You figured this stuff out. Okay, so
that
there's this
you
thing.
can use to kind of like measure how it is.
Yeah,
And
you can set different markers on
And
there.
there's 3 of them.
There's different colors. They kind of just fit nicely right in there. The green one was right there a second ago.
Yes.
You can change what amount of time you want to measure here. This is like really nice.
And
It actually,
you
I don't know if you can hear
use
that. We just
the-
knocked the batteries over, but it's got this nice little, clicks kind of
And
nicely.
we're going to
These things fit in nice and tight.
And we're going to put in.
Yeah, let's get in those batteries. You want to put those in there? There's some battery spots right there. Let's see. There goes one, and turn that around so the pointy side goes that way, and wow, that was, we set it to loud. So there's different volume settings.
I'd rather have it on here, I guess.
Should we do medium volume? Hear how that sounds? Okay, let's try medium volume. 5 minutes. We'll change the face. What's the trick for getting the face off?
There's this white piece in the back, and you push it, and you can change which
pop right out
of way you want it to be.
Yeah.
Or if I want, it says, if I want 2 hours, or...
It's 2 hours, pop it out again.
And then if I want
5 minutes, that's what I just set it to, 5 minutes. So let's see. We'll get this thing off of here. Everything just kind of pops off neatly.
And they're double-sided, so I just got the 2 hours, and on the other side is one where you can write stuff.
Oh, you can just write stuff. It's a dry erase. Make time. Oh, that's good. That's an advertisement for the book. Yeah. This guy's knows which side his bread is buttered on. So you could use it as a whiteboard, and you could just erase it right off of there, which is pretty cool because you could mark different things that were going to happen. You can set it all up the way. Okay, so let's get it back to 5 minutes.
Let's see what.
And let's hear how the medium beep sounds. That's nice.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Oh, there's also this. It's like a little thing that pops out, and then you could set the timer up. Flynn didn't even know about that, and he's had his hands all over this thing. So there's so many features. Anyway, do you have anything else to say about the time timer, Flynn? Any ideas about how we might use it?
We might, I don't know, not hanging it on the wall, but...
Not hanging on the wall. You could, but I don't think in our living room we'll probably do that yet. I don't know. It's possible we could.
Mm-hmm.
Any other thoughts? Any other ways we might use it?
No, I don't have any other ways.
Well, probably just to time, which is mostly what it's for. We'll probably use this when we're playing. We could use it. I'm going to work it into my workshops, show people the time. Design sprints would be great for that. Anyway, we're excited. Thanks for joining us on this unpacking of the Time Timer Max. It's amazing, so cool. And if you hear our cat in the background, she also thinks it's cool. So long.